Hey everyone, in this video, let's do a comparison of Paperpal and SciSpace. In order to do so, here we are at SciSpace.com and we're also at Paperpal.com. And in order to do a comparison, let's go ahead and check in with Cider AI. Cider is a fantastic extension for your Chrome browser that allows you to ask questions of the top AI models at any time. According to Cider, Paperpal and SciSpace are both AI-powered platforms designed to assist researchers, but they do serve different primary purposes and have distinct features. Paperpal is focused primarily on AI is an AI writing assistant tailored for academic writing, editing, and proofreading. Its features include grammar and style correction, plagiarism checking, language editing, manuscript formatting suggestions, and it targets researchers, students, and authors seeking to improve their manuscript quality and language clarity. SciSpace, on the other hand, is an AI platform geared towards making scientific research more accessible and collaborative. It features AI-driven literature review summaries, making research papers more interactive and easier to understand. It has collaborative tools for researchers to share insights. It extracts key data from scientific papers, and it's good for researchers, scientists, and students looking for better research discovery, interpretation, and collaboration. In summary, Paperpal is best if you want help with writing, editing, and polishing your manuscripts, and SciSpace is more useful for exploring, understanding, and collaborating around scientific literature. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you're interested in taking advantage of Cider AI, take a look at the link in the description. There you'll find our top AI tool recommendations, including Cider AI. Click on any of those links to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we would greatly appreciate it.